guys, welcome to my taste test. Me and my cousin are gonna do a taste test. I'm just gonna push to get the things. This is the things we did get it. This, it looks like this. It's not milk or yogurt. It's something else. Let's taste test. She's gonna taste test it in this glass. There's in there. And I'm gonna taste test it here. I'm so. And tell me. I'm gonna just tell. And to by 5 talang drunk I'm so scared, guys. I'm gonna put it here in because if it don't taste right, I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm too scared, guys. We want a little bit more. So scared. If it tastes it, and then you're gonna like it because my I'm gonna put it on. Yes, for my friend. I'm just gonna put it back. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. That's a lekker. It don't taste right. It tastes like. Let me taste it. I did put sugar and milk in. And that was when I did drink it the first time. Now I'm just gonna go to the bathroom because that's not nice. And my friend, her name is Ellie. We are in nice. Her friend, my friend's name is Ellie. She did drink it and she did say, no, it doesn't taste right. And she did found something in her yogurt thing. It's not yogurt, I don't know what's it. Because our other uncle did give for us, our neighbor. Let me taste it again. I didn't taste it, just at my lips because I'm so scared to taste it. It tastes now in the yogurt. In the yogurt with sugar, it's just in a milkshake, guys. But if you slick it in, it's not gonna taste right. So yes, like and subscribe at this video. And it's so good. I'm gonna make a video where I'm drinking all the stuff. If you guys, I'm gonna drink the whole bottle. If you guys like and subscribe on this video, all I want to get 6,000 like and subscribers and followers, and then I'm gonna drink all this stuff. So you better like and subscribe and follow me. Thank you.